I will show you how I manage 1,000 Instagram accounts on a single device. Now, I will open the information of one of my Instagram accounts. Here is the account information. It includes the username, the password, the 2FA security key, and this key will automatically generate a 6-digit code for login. Finally, we have the account cookie. If you have the cookie, the bot will log in very quickly. Go straight into the account and skip verification. Each value must be separated by a vertical bar like this. Now I will copy one account first. Click on Add Account and paste it here. Then select the category we just created. Next, choose the Format option and match it with the values you have. You can also add a proxy at the end of the line if you want. Now, click Save. The account has been added and is displayed here. To log in, simply select the account. Click Login Account, then choose Login Instagram. Please wait a moment. The bot will automatically open and log into Instagram. It will prioritize logging in with the cookie first. This account is not using a proxy yet. So, the bot is using the original IP address and location of my computer. Next, I will add multiple accounts at the same time. Adding multiple accounts is very simple. Each account should be placed on a separate line. Now, I will copy from the first line to the last line. Go back to the bot and click Add Account. Select the category. Set the format in the correct order. Now I will show you how to assign proxies to these Instagram accounts. There are two types of proxies: static proxies and rotating proxies. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use static proxies. Here I already have a proxy list prepared. Now I will add these proxies into the bot. Paste the proxy list here. Select the Format Host Port username and password. I am using the SOCK5 type. The proxies will appear below. I currently have 5 proxies here. They have not been assigned to any accounts yet. Now I will select these 5 proxies and click Assign. Choose the account category we created earlier. Here I will let the bot automatically distribute the proxies evenly. Then click Assign Proxy. Now I will log into all these accounts at the same time. Just select all of them and click Login. Alright, all accounts have been logged in. Now I will check whether the IP locations have changed. As you can see, the location has been changed to USA. Each Chrome window is using a different proxy. Most of the proxies I am using are from USA. That is the complete guide on how to add accounts and assign proxies when using the Instagram bot. Now, I will guide you on how to manage accounts to automatically scroll and watch recommended Instagram Reels videos. Go to the Account Interaction section. Here I will create a new scenario. After creating it, I will click on General Interaction. Here you can choose the number of videos you want each account to watch. I will set it to 10 to 20 videos. Each video will be watched from 10 to 15 seconds. The bot will randomly choose a value within the range you set. Next, select Random Video Likes one video. We'll scroll up and I will choose to perform all these actions. For actions means selecting all 4 checkboxes below. The delay between 2 actions will be set from 10 to 20 seconds. Setting it exactly like mine will make it easier to use. Save the settings. You will see a new scenario called Script 1. Now I will select the accounts that I want to warm up automatically through Reels videos. When I click Start, these accounts will automatically open. They will access the Reels section and interact with Reels videos. You can monitor the process on the screen. If you have any questions or want to learn more about Instagram automation tools, you can message me via Telegram or WhatsApp. See you again in the next videos.